Good morning! It is Sunday morning and I decided I was going to make some cookies. I'm going to try snickerdoodles because, yeah, I don't know, I thought it would be fun, and it's about that time of year where snickerdoodles are delicious. So, yeah, I'm going to make some snickerdoodles and I'm going to try to record it as best as I can. Hey guys, okay, so I measured everything out because we don't have a lot of counter space, as you can see, and so I wanted to kind of limit the amount that was out, but I'll put the recipe in the description down below so that you can see exactly how much of everything that I used. This is flour, sugar, and then this is a mix of salt and baking powder. I still have to do the vanilla, the egg, and the butter. Yeah. I'm going to whip through that. I'll try to do some video while I'm doing that, and we'll see what happens. Said first to have room temperature butter. And it says 8 teaspoons, which is exactly how much this package is. Sorry, 8 tablespoons. And then it said to mix in sugar. So now we're going to be mixing together the sugar and the butter. Sugar and butter. I'm just going to kind of try to cut it together. Probably should have been more room temperature, but we'll make it work. Okay, then it says to add in this mixture. Salt, baking powder, vanilla. They didn't actually tell me to mix it all together. I was just trying to make space and get everything out of the way. But I didn't need right then. Trying to make sure I get every last bit out. Alright. Alright, and next we add in the flour. I'm going to switch beaters. Making a mess anyways, but I do add it in slowly because otherwise I make a huge mess. Whoa, making a mess. I am a firm believer in using your hands. And they're freshly washed, don't worry. Alright, so it says turn the oven up to 375. Preheat, so that's what we're doing. Then it says to take little balls of dough, roll, and then put in the bag and shake. So I like a lot of cinnamon on mine, which is why I made mine so heavy. You don't have to. Then I'm going to put it on there. And I don't know if this is, the recipe didn't say to do this, but this is a traditional snickerdoodle thing, is to take a fork and you do a little flat one way and then a little flat the other way. So it kind of looks like this. So I don't know how much you would say that is, but I'm just kind of rolling this into the size of a ball. And I don't bake at all, so I'm totally guessing all this stuff. I probably could be looking at the recipe, but, you know, we'll figure it out.
So just go one direction. That.
Those are the 3 I've done so far. That seems about right. I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you have a favorite cookie? So sugar cookies are my favorite, but I really like cinnamon, and so I like snickerdoodles, which is what they call these, I guess. But yeah, this is one of my favorite cookies around Thanksgiving and Christmas time. Do you guys have a traditional one? Or something that you guys like, really like? I know a lot of people like ginger snaps around Christmas. Ginger snaps are a little bit too spicy for me. Ginger can be a little bit too spicy for me. And I know that sounds crazy to some people, but I have a pretty sensitive palate. And I'm planning to go to India in next October, and even though I know the food isn't necessarily spicy, I have a really sensitive palate when it comes to pepper and garlic and onion and like ginger, lemongrass. So it'll be interesting. I'll be probably eating a lot of curd and drinking a lot of water. So you guys have a favorite holiday? My favorite holiday kind of goes between Christmas and Halloween. Since my boyfriend and I have been together for 10 years, we have done a really big thing for Halloween. And then we moved out here, and they do a huge thing for Halloween out here in Lahaina, which is the town that I live in. So I live in the U.S., in the state of Hawaii, on the island of Maui, in the town of Lahaina, if anybody's ever curious. And so in the town of Lahaina that I live in, they have what they still consider, or used to consider, the Mardi Gras of the Pacific on Halloween. And so everybody dresses up, and they shut down Front Street, and it's kind of a big deal. I should have a video actually out already by the time I post this one of our Halloween evening here. So hopefully you guys have watched that and enjoyed that. And if you're from somewhere else besides the U.S., what do you call these? Are these called cookies? Or do you guys call them something else? Because I don't know I don't know what other countries all say, but I know like some things, like what we call French fries, they're called crisps in other places, and I know that like biscuits here are like a savory kind of crumbly kind of I don't know, like a sandwich bread almost. It's like a little circle biscuit, and people put gravy over them, biscuits and gravy. And in England or UK or somewhere, I think they're called biscuits or cookies. So do you guys have a word? Like, do you make a sweet similar to this with flour and sugar and vanilla and, you know, like maybe you put other things in it like chocolate chips or whatever, but what do you guys call it where you're from? I know I have one viewer from the Philippines. I want to say it's Whipsana, or is it Whipnasa? I need to look again. But I'll, yeah, so I know, do you guys have cookies there? What do you guys call it? And like, it has some viewers from India as well. So what do you guys call cookies? Or do you not? Or are they just called cookies? I don't know. Preheated. All right, I think we're ready to go in. All right, we'll see what happens. Timer. 4 minutes. Look at the mess I made. Oh, these dishes. It has been 4 minutes. Uh-oh, I just stuck my finger in it. Uh-oh. Don't do that, Dodo. Spin it around. Oh, just stuck my finger in another one. Don't do that, Dodo. Oops. Well, I kind of knew it was going to become one big cookie. Looking pretty good, though. I think it needs to be in for just a bit longer. I don't think they're quite ready yet. Alright, it just finished. Yeah, maybe, I don't know. I'm going to have to take them out and take a look. Well, I'm not really sure. I'm going to get it's not a toothpick, but it'll do. Alright, that's all of them out on a pan. I'm gonna eat this one in just a minute. I'm just gonna let it cool and pour myself a glass of milk. Yay! Alright, I tried a little bit of it. It's pretty good. It's a little bit dry, but it's not too bad. It's like, at first it seems like it's a little bit dry, but then it's like the butter starts coming out and it starts getting really buttery and delicious, like a yummy sugar cookie. My personal preference is I probably could have put a little more cinnamon on them, but meh, whatever. It's so hot in here, you guys, with the oven on. I'm not used to cooking in the house because I don't cook, but it's so different when you turn the oven on, the temperature inside the house. So, and I also wanted to do some hot dog croissants, so that might have to wait until maybe next weekend. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Just trying to do something a little bit fun for today. I guess I can give you guys a quick update. So, we got a new laptop, right? And I'm able to edit video the correct way, but the problem that I am having is that all of the video that I wanted to edit is actually on my old computer, and we got a like hard drive converter to take an internal hard drive and turn it to an external hard drive, but it's not working for some reason, and we're still working on it, but we haven't figured it out yet. We may just pay to have somebody pull all the stuff off. We'll see what happens, but just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I am still making videos, I'm still editing videos, but I am running out of content a little bit because all the videos that I have, everything that I wanted to make is still on my old computer. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, or just videos on Maui, or when we travel, all kinds of random things. I also talk about Bollywood movies, since that's a huge kind of obsession of mine. Yeah, so let me know in the comments down below what your kind of favorite cookie is, and I will catch up with you guys next time. Aloha!